Community Learning Center. I am your facilitator for today. I am Ate Ina. Today is our 9th and last session for Project Line, Linking Initiatives into the New Normal Environment. Handa na ba ulit kayong matuto at maging mahusay sa math? If yes, together, iangat na natin ang sipnayan. Prepare your pens, handouts, and modules because today, we will be solving problems involving the side and angle of a polygon. But before that, let us have a check-in activity. You will be provided a figure, a protractor, a sheet of paper, and ball pens by your facilitators.
Kuya Charles' sticker is in a triangular shape. The perimeter of his triangular sticker is 38 cm. If the lengths of two sides are 14 and 17 cm, what is the length of the other side? Can you help Kuya Charles to solve the length of the other side? If yes, you have 3 minutes to help Kuya Charles. Your timer starts now.
Time is up. Now, what do you think is the length of the other side? Let us start solving by labeling the sticker with the given information. It says this side measures 14 cm and this side measures 17 cm. We need to find the measure of the side. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is the total length or the distance of the boundary of a triangle. The perimeter of the triangle
is equal to the sum of its sides. To find the length of the other side, we will add the two lengths and subtract it to the perimeter. That is 14 cm plus 17 cm is equal to 31 cm. Then, we subtract it from the perimeter, which is 38 cm. Now, we have the length of the other side, which is 7 cm.
Very good, learners! I think you are now ready to solve another problems. To start, let us review the sum of the measures of the interior angles and the exterior angles of a polygon. Do you still remember them? The sum of the measures of the interior angles of an angle is the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of its sides. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon, one angle at each vertex is 360 degrees. Good job! We should follow a systematic procedure in solving problems such as Polya's problem-solving techniques, which highlight the following steps in solving the given problem.
Step 1. Understand the problem. For example, in the given problem, our goal is to solve for the measure of each side of the hexagonal storage given the perimeter of 120 cm. Step 2. Devise a plan. The perimeter of a hexagonal storage is the sum of the measure of its 6 sides. And since the perimeter is given, we need to divide it to 6 to find the measure of each side. Step 3. Carry out the plan. Now, let us solve for this problem. Here's how. Let P as the perimeter of the regular hexagon and S is the measure of each side. The formula in finding the perimeter of a regular hexagon is 6 sides. Substituting the given, we have 120 cm equals 6s. Using the multiplication property of equality, we will multiply both sides by 1 over 6. Therefore, 120 equals 6s. Simplifying, we have 20 cm equals s. The symmetric property of equality tells us that s equals 20 cm. Step 4. Look back. Since we already know the answer, we can now interpret it. Therefore, each side of regular hexagonal jewelry storage measures 20 cm.
Did you follow all the steps? Here are some practice problems for you.
In their math group activity, Kuya Melby was assigned to measure the exterior angles of a regular octagon. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon? Let's solve it. Step 1. In the given problem, our goal is to solve for the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon. Step 2. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees, and a regular polygon has equal measures of angles and sides. It means that we just need to divide 360 degrees to the number of the sides of regular polygon to determine the measures of each regular angle. Step 3. We'll let x be the measure of each exterior angle and n be the number of sides of a polygon. The formula of the measure of the exterior angles is x equals 360 degrees divided by n. By substituting the given, we have x equals 360 degrees divided by 8. Next, we simplify. X equals 45 degrees. Step 4. Therefore, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon is 45 degrees.
Good job, learners! Here is another one.
A rectangular lot which measures 15 meters by 11 meters. What is its area? To solve, Step 1. In the given problem, our goal is to solve for an area of a rectangular lot which measures 15 meters by 11 meters. Step 2. To solve this problem, we should put in mind that the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and width. In symbol, we can denote it as A equals LW. Step 3. We let A be the area of a rectangle, L be its length, and W be its width. By substitution, we have A equals 15 meters multiplied to 11 meters. Simplifying this, we will have A equals 165 meters squared. Therefore, the area of a rectangular lot is 165 meters squared.
Did you get it right? Good job! To find out whether you learned something today, let's have a learner's virtual quiz. Let's now start.
Given this figure, determine the sum of the measures of the interior angles and the value of x. You have 5 minutes to answer this item. Are you all ready? Timer starts now. time is up. Now, let's check your answers. In the given problem, our goal is to solve for the sum of the measures of all interior angle of the given figure as well as the measure of angle x. In solving the given problem, we need to determine the sum of the measures of all interior angle of the given figure, then use the result in finding the measure of angle x. Let S be the sum of the measures of all interior angles and N be the number of the sides of a polygon. Using the formula of the sum of the measures of all the interior angle, S equals the quantity N minus 2 times 180 degrees. By substituting the given, we have S equals the quantity 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Using the multiplication property of equality, we now have S equals 3 times 180 degrees. Simplifying this will give us S equals 540 degrees. Since we already know that the sum of the measures of all the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees, we can now solve for the value of angle x. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of the pentagon is 540. By substituting, we have 540 degree equals 80 degree plus 120 degree plus 90 degree plus 150 degree plus the angle x. Combining similar terms, we have 540 degree plus negative 440 degree plus the measure of angle x. Simplifying it will give us a result of 100 degree equals the measure of angle x. Therefore, the sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees and the measure of angle x is 100 degrees.
Did you get the correct answer? Very good, learners! You all did well. How was the virtual quiz? Did you enjoy it? I am happy that you understood our lesson for today. Before ending our session, the facilitators prepared our sheet and you may answer them after watching this video. That's it for today. We would like to thank you all for spending your weekends with us. Again, I am your Ate Ina, your facilitator for today. I hope we provided you with a new learning experience. As we say, iaangat natin ang sipnayan.